What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing issue on your Redmi cell phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the camera app and then tap on this information icon and then tap on force stop. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm. So when I will tap on this OK option, it will force stop the camera app, and after force stopping the app, it will fix the focusing issue. But if you are still facing the issue, then open camera app. Now here tap on this settings icon and then scroll down and here tap on restore default settings. Now from the pop-up tap on OK to confirm, and after resetting the camera settings back to factory default, the camera focusing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the not focusing issue on your Redmi cell phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.